Leaders Montego Bay United suffered their second defeat of the rain for Jamaica Premier League season after going down 3-0 to title holders Cavalier at the Stadium East Field on Monday.
Before the hurricane break, Montego Bay United were flying as they went into the 7-week stoppage with a 4-point lead. But since being shaken by Hurricane Melissa, the standard bearers out west were a shadow of themselves on their return. The former champions were behind from the 34th minute, Jerome McCleary with a go-ahead goal for Cavalier. Not even the half-time team talk could prevent MBU dropping further behind, Chad James making it 2-0 11 minutes after the interval. It was one-way traffic all the way, with James adding a second for 3-0 in the 71st minute. So disoriented were Montego Bay United that they almost contributed to a bigger scoreline for their opponents. Coach Xavier Gilbert summed up the performance as a poor one.
We weren't good enough tonight. And credit to Cavalier to capitalize on it, we have to do better. I know we're not looking at excuses, but we have to do better. We have to give better performances, even just the attitude of playing and the will to do things, And I think we were a little bit too negative in a lot of instances, hence we made those errors.
Man of the match James is promising more goals as the season progresses.
It's been rough. It's been rough because I haven't scored. These are my first 2 goals for the club. I've been here for a while, but I hope to keep this going. My confidence is up now, so you'll see more of this.
Tivoli Gardens picked up where they left off at the break with a 2-1 win over Waterhouse for their 3rd win on the trot. Nicalia Fuller had the West Kingston team in front from the 22nd minute. They held the lead until the 66th when Rivaldo Mitchell pulled Waterhouse level. But when Tivoli were awarded a penalty in the 72nd minute, Fuller stepped up and put away the resulting kick for the win and 3 points.
Came out with this purpose because we need to win this game to ensure that we find ourselves into 5th position. Today, the team did that. Trey Fuller voted man of the match. He had an outstanding game, but there is still room for improvement.
Well, as you can see, me and everybody have a good get-along, good relationship, as you can see. So once I'm in the team, the team performance is going to be went from down to up here.
Game, I thought we played well, just unfortunately too brilliant. I mean, the first goal, the free kick was brilliant. I think we lost concentration though. We get back ourselves in the game. I thought we get some ascendancy. Unfortunately the goal scored, it's at the wrong time. But nevertheless, I thought we take courage from the game.
The league continues on Wednesday with 2 matches. Chapelton Maroons will host the Racing United at Turner's Oval, while Spanish Town Police take on Arnett Gardens at Druseland. Both matches are scheduled for 3 p.m. Keon Reina reporting for TVJ Sports.